Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix Scotia Bank app not working. It may be because of two reasons, so we will go step by step. Firstly, open your App Store. Now, at the search bar, simply search Scotia Bank. Here you can see various applications. Tap on the one that you have installed in your mobile device. Now, if your app needs to be updated, you will be seeing update option just beside open. I have already updated my Scotia Bank. Here you can't see the update option. But if you see the option, then make sure to update it. Another option is to go to your settings. Now at the settings, you can see the option General. Tap over there. In this section again, you will see iPhone storage option. You need to tap over there. Now here, search for the application that is Scotia Bank. Now tap on the application. Here you can see two options, offload app or delete app. Firstly, try on offloading app, which helps to clear all the cache of the application. After that, again you have to reinstall the app. After the reinstallation, you can go to your Scotia Bank and check if the app is still working or not. And again, if it doesn't work, the last step is to delete the app itself and install it once again. For that, you need to tap on Delete App. Once again, tap on Delete App. And after you install it again, make sure to fill down your credentials and log into your Scotia Bank. These are some of the steps that may help to fix Scotia Bank app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.